Hello, good morning everyone. We are here for another project. We have the ladybugs for spring, and this is how it's going to be. We are going to have fun. I love to do project and I would love to see yours. So let's go, let's start it. How we make a toilet paper rolls, ladybugs. You will need, I will submit the whole supplies and instruction for everyone. We will have to follow it and do it. That will be great. I would love to see everyone's. Let's go, we're going on. All right, so the supplies, you will need a red construction paper, a black construction paper, white construction paper. I'm going to get everything done. Red construction paper, black construction paper, and white construction paper. All this needed here. We will need a toilet paper or towel, doesn't matter. If it's a big roll, you can cut it on half. If it's a toilet paper, it's perfect. We will take the black paper and cut it on half. The half size, it's enough to rub the roll. You glue the roll. You take the glue, you glue the roll. You rub the paper. Rub all over. Put it aside. You take the red paper and you make a circle. You make a circle. You cut circle. Then, after you cut the circle, you cut it on half. Where's my scissor? And you cut it on half. This is 2 halves. Put it aside. You take the rest of the black paper, what's left from the other piece that we rolled the roll. We make 6 small circles. 6 circles. This is the 6 circles. We taken 3 on each semicircle and we glue them. We put the glue, 3 for each side, and we glue them on each side. We put it aside. Then we take white construction paper and we make 2 circles. 2 circles. We cut them. After we cut them, we put them down and we take another 2 black circles and we take the white, we put some glue and we glue. There you go. This is the eyes, ladybugs. And this is how we going to do. So we have the roll, we rub it with the black paper, wrap, we cut red big circle, we cut it on half, which is give us 2 semicircles. We take 3 small black circles on each of the circles. Those semicircles, I would love to call them the wings. This is how it's going to be glued to your roll, and this is how it goes. I'm taking the roll, that wrapped with the black pepper. I'm taking one side, I'm taking another side, and goes just like this. We glue it and we make the wings. Then we take the roll, we take the white circle with the black on it, which is the eyes. We placed one here and one next to it. After we have the eyes and the wings, we're going to cut another 2 stripes of black paper. 2 stripes, and this is how it comes. And this goes to be on the top of the roll. Glue it in the back, and here you go. Ladybugs is ready. I would love to see everybody making a ladybugs for spring. And let me give you a secret. After Pesach, I will use the ladybugs for my makeup storage. I will put it in my desk and I store some pencils or anything that I want to have it in my secret. Don't tell mommy, you can just do it after Pesach. Take the ladybugs and store something in. This is my secret. Have fun, Yeladin. I see you again next time.